Got some headlights going in on this Jeep. I got me a snazzy new aluminum radiator that's definitely going to keep that motor cool. It's 3 rows thick, and it fit perfectly in the space where I had that original radiator put in. But I did hold on to the original radiator. I got it hanging on the wall in case something happens with this one. But this radiator is definitely going to keep the motor cool. Only problem I had was the radiator didn't clear the headlights. And you're going to see that in this video. I had to modify the buckets, which was not a big deal, but it definitely had to be done. Cooling that thing was a lot more important than these modifications to these headlight buckets, and the new LED headlights fit very well. You're going to see all that in the video. So I'm going to show you the very beginning of it, how I modified the buckets, and then I'm going to speed it up and go right through the process and try to be narrative as I can as we go. I didn't go too slow because, I mean, installing headlight buckets is really not that tough. I mean, I might be wrong, but I didn't want to bore anybody to death. So without further ado, here we go. Alrighty, so here I'm going to show you the buckets and how I modified them to clear the radiator. You'll see the radiator protruding into that hole for the headlight doors to go into, and it's like that on both sides. But the benefit of a bigger radiator like that is going to be so much more important than putting a smaller radiator in there, because there ain't that much room between those doors. Here's the passenger side, driver's side headlight door. You see that metal I'm pointing at right there is the modification I had to make for it to go around the radiator. And I cleaned them up and painted them to make them look snazzola. Put that one in there. I'm going to get the passenger side door. And there again, you can see the corner of the edge of it where I had to cut it out and put that in there. And everything else pretty much screwed back in the way it's supposed to, mounted on the grill face of the Jeep there. Use screws to, the regular screws, new screws of course, to attach them back in place. And the wiring for the headlights is going to go through the hole in the back of that door. You may have noticed my fingers in the back of it there. Alright, so now the doors are both slid into place. Take a look at them, and here we go. Okay, there you go. Headlights in. I'm going to put the blinker lights in too, but that was basically just trimming a little bit and putting them in there. Wasn't a big deal. Won't put you through that. That was pretty much just a couple of screws held in. But notice I got some new music. Yeah, keep you awake on by going to sleep on me here. So there you go. Got more coming. Hang in there. Appreciate you watching. Remember, like and subscribe. Tell everybody about it. We're getting close. Wiring coming soon.